Hi, I'm Frank Younger. I'm a physical science technician here at the USGS Hawaiian Volcano Observatory atop Kilauea. And as part of my job duties, I get to make things. Well, one of the newer techniques that we have started to use here to make tools and parts and other components to assist us with volcano monitoring is digital fabrication technology. So that looks like this. It's a 3D modeling environment that includes three-dimensional drafting using software such as this. We're able to brainstorm ideas and try different things on for size, see what works, tweak ideas. It's a back and forth process between myself as a technician and my scientific colleagues, the other technicians. And we're able to rapidly prototype these ideas using 3D printing technology. For example, this is a tool that we custom designed in order to install a tilt meter down a 50-foot borehole on the Kona side of the island. This is a tool that allows us to space the tilt meter itself away from the outside edge of the borehole casing. The tilt meter, which is the instrument, fits in the center diameter and is isolated from the outer diameter of the casing. The wires that are already existing in that hole are channeled to one side so as not to touch the central part, and sand is backfilled through the holes in order to isolate the tilt meter from the signals coming from the vibrations of the case. When we go about designing a new tool or part for volcano monitoring, we'll start with very simple measurements that are time-honored, such as the use of this dial caliper. This is a very accurate slide caliper that can take very precise measurements. We'll convert those measurements into geometry, draft those up in the software, and extrude the two-dimensional form into a three-dimensional body that will be useful for us in the field. Well, after we do some software drafting, we can take that file on a small SD card and bring it over to the 3D printer here. Here's the 3D printer at work, and it works by a very simple concept. A filament of plastic is fed through this clear tube down to a heated head, the electronics of which are housed in this jacket. The head itself moves via motor on a set program, laying down a very thin melted filament of plastic. Layer by layer, it creates a solid body by building up. Well, 3D printing and digital fabrication technology has been an exciting new tool to add to our toolkit for volcano monitoring here at the Hawaiian Volcano Observatory as we move forward with innovative new solutions to the challenges of volcano monitoring.